One important step towards a prosthetic fitting is compression therapy. How does it work and how it helps? We'll show you. Hi, I'm Manali and I'm a physiotherapist. I'm here at the Ottobock clinic in Mumbai.
Hi, I'm Swapnil. There are different types of compression therapy, and today I'm going to show you how to use a compression sock.
You need to roll up the compression sock and turn it inside out. It's very easy to pull up. Just make sure there are no wrinkles or creases anywhere. You can keep moving the residual limb intermittently. Again, make sure that you do not keep the residual limb down hanging. You can wear this for as long as you're comfortable. You need to again remove it for a few minutes to aid air circulation. No matter which method you use for compression therapy, make sure that you do not feel pain at any point of time. If you are experiencing any pain, please visit your physician.
It is very important that you apply compression therapy regularly. It is actually preparing your stump for your first prosthetic fitment and is crucial towards shaping your stump.